Hey champions, how are you? I am eating some garlic shrimp and I made some rice, but I put some of that saffron, that Goya saffron, so it was so good. This is leftovers, and I boiled me some eggs yesterday. So I had an egg in the refrigerator left over. So I put it in the microwave. And let me just tell you, it got hot. I go to slice it in half. It exploded in my face. The yolk, y'all. So it was that hot, I guess. So to note to self. Ooh. Hold on, y'all. Note to self, wait till it cools down a little bit before you try to slice in half a boiled egg out the microwave. Okay. I know I told you the other day that all these YouTube beefs and I was just sucking this life out of me, right? But there was probably 4, gossip channels that it's gonna take me a minute to cut loose, right? So I was watching them these last couple of days. I put that, the juice, the roux from when I made over this rice, the garlic, yes. So, I'm going to just say one of them was Tasha K. So, Tasha K came out and announced that he has a new co-host. Now, word on the street is everybody mad because Tasha K didn't pick them. Now you got some new beefs. And I gotta keep up with. But in the midst of that, one of Tasha K's supporters did a live yesterday and was roasting this other YouTuber, content creator. I never knew about her till today. So I ran out, I did my little digging to try to figure out who the hell is she talking about, right? Took me a minute. Did my little detective work. Came across her page. And she was doing a live. She just got finished doing a live, right? I was all in her live. So the things that she was saying, I was just like, hey, she sounded like she could be a part of my little tribe, right? Plus the fact that she had these little sweatshirts that said something about fly Gucci or fly something, fly. No, I fly free, right? So I want that sweatshirt. So I went on and subscribed to her page and let her know I was a new subscriber. Her moderator welcomed me. I sat back in the bushes and listened. She burped and was like, shout out to the mukbang community. Hey. Um, hopefully she'll mosey on over to my little page, check me out, and know that I'll be checking her out. Once again, we whining and dining, but I'm doing water, y'all. It's only 11:45 a.m. here, so it wouldn't do my body good to be drinking this early. Besides that, I done slowed down on my wine drinking because I'm trying to get this weight off. Okay, our wine is full of sugar. Full of sugar. So, I make your belly bloated at the top. My belly be flat here and be bloated way up here. I don't like that look. I don't like it. When you see them ladies with them big top bellies, they drink. But let's see what I want to talk about. I'm gonna talk about this. I've been noticing, like today when I watched Lonnie B's live, he's woke. He woke, y'all. He preaching to you guys in the language that you're accustomed to. Excuse me. And giving you some life lessons on how to go through this journey called life. And last few weeks I've been doing a lot of research, listening to a lot of lectures and doing a lot of meditating, you know, to raise my vibration. And as I noticed, the female that I was looking at watching today, she touching on something too. So it's like I'm being led. It's like I don't have to give up gossip TV. It's just don't be slanging around and rolling around in the mud. I can get a good kiki. It's just that some of these people, their energy is just off. So I can't watch them. Calling CPS on folks and police showing up at the house. It just don't make no sense. This is YouTube. You know, these youngins, they out here killing each other. Now you got these 40, 50, 60 year-old people up here acting a fool. Somebody can get hurt. So, it don't take much for me, y'all. About to go walk Bubba over here to get his grooming. Need to call him and see if they'll take him. He don't have an appointment. All that got it. Yeah, it's good. So, really don't want to talk about anything other than the fact that I'm spreading the love. No negativity over here. Yeah. Just wanted to come on here and show y'all that I've made me something good. One more again. Look at that shrimp. Look at that. Look at that. Parsley and the garlic. Oh, and the seasonings. So good. Anyway, y'all, I'm gonna get back into my house. Do a little organization. I've been organizing. I even hung this little excuse me, light up. After I drop bubble off, I'm gonna go invest in one of those things that you hold your phone with, and give me one of them little speakers, because I'm gonna go outside and I don't want that wind or whatever, the noise. I want you guys to be able to hear me. Yeah, I'm gonna post outside later on today. In Vegas, it's just so hot. You can't even go outside and enjoy yourself. But I can't be cluttered. I can't be in this house. I get, what do they call it? Cabin fever. I'll be going crazy. Legs shaking. Rocking. I got to get out. Okay, give me some vitamin D. Look at Bubba. Why ain't nobody talking to you? All right, y'all. I want you guys to create a great rest of your day. See this here? Meditate daily. Work out daily. 21-day no alcohol. This is my day 3, y'all. Closet declutter. Living room finish. Eat plant-based. Create content daily. And that's my goals right now for the month of July. I'm going to... Hey, that didn't end so well, so I came back on here to say, just to end this video properly, I want you guys to create a great journey. Is your journey. Look at this curl. I put my glasses on right. When I put my glasses on, it went underneath the curl. I hate when that happens, so you gotta make sure your glasses go above the curl so the curl don't do something stupid like this. Anywho, come here, curl. Look at that. Yeah, I was saying I said light, but y'all know I meant clock. So don't be y'all in my comments telling me, hey, the clock. And yeah, those are my goals. Not goals, but I'm getting into the habit of okay? I've learned some bad habits, so now I'm trying to undo some bad habits. That's all I wanted to say. And then I'm going to put a part 2 to this. I'm going to post it after this. I just wanted to close this out decently. So you guys create a great day. Godspeed, champions.